Alright, hello. This video is all about what to pack for Australia. So now you must have seen that I've surprised my parents. Video here. Really good video. If you haven't, watch it. But I'm on my way back to Australia. Today it's 11th of January. And as you can see, I've been packing. So these are some, I'll keep this video short and quick because I'm getting late for my flight. But I'll be telling you from experience what you should pack for Australia. First things first, hobbies. Whatever you're interested in. Like, for example, I'm interested in cricket. Get your hobbies with you. So, as you can see, I have my cricket gear. So, I have my gloves, I have my pads. I just went and got some grips as well. So your hobbies, these things keep you sane. So travel with your hobbies, be it cricket, be it soccer, take your boots with you. Be it painting, take your paints, oil paints or canvases, whatever. You get what I mean. First thing is hobbies, so take care of your hobbies. Second, comfortable footwear. Comfortable footwear, comfortable footwear. I have to pack all of these as well. So take some comfortable footwear with you because in the starting bits you're going to be walking a lot. So take comfortable footwear. Oh yeah, take comfortable footwear with you. So that's second. I would just like to say that 95% of you are not subscribed. So if you can just subscribe, it gives me a lot of motivation to create more content, more helpful content, both in English and Hindi. And I'm listening to you, listening to your comments, and more videos coming your way. Carry on with this video. Third, um, cutlery. So obviously you can't travel with glass cutlery or melamine or something like that. Now where I've been brought up, हम स्टील के प्लेट्स में खाना खाते थे. तो steel plates, I take a bunch of steel plates and cutlery with me. Obviously I can buy this from there 100%. But steel की प्लेट में खाने का मजा ही कुछ और है. तो steel plates. Talking about hobbies, taking a bat with me as well. Not SG, but factory made bat. Fourth, most important. International travel adapter. This is very important because a lot of your devices won't have the Australian plug. So this is very important. What you can do is get one of this and get a multi plug, like a multi plug strip, and then put your devices, charge your devices on there. What's next? Yes, very important. Traditional wear. So this is a salwar. I've packed about 3 kurtas with me. So traditional wear because there are a lot of traditional events and festivals that are celebrated in Australia, like Diwali, Navratri, Garba, things like that. So once you make a bunch of friends, you'll be going to these events. So pack your kurtas, pack your traditional wear. Coming to that, pack your suits because you never know what situation you will be in. So pack a couple of suits with you, so like 2 to 3 suit pants, so that whenever you have interviews as well, you can go for interviews and stuff. Fifth, sixth, whatever point it is, if you wear spectacles, take a bunch of spectacles with you. I have about 4 pairs that I'm taking this time, and 2 are already in Australia. So 6 pairs in total because you never know when you would need a pair of spectacles. Oh, good. Products, personal hygiene products. I'm taking my shampoo, I'm taking my face wash. Everything is available there, but sometimes these sort of products are kind of pricey over there. So I take my own, and I sort of bulk buy a lot of things. So I have a couple of shampoos that I'm taking, a couple of face washes that I'm taking. Coming on to the next one, a good puffer jacket. So I'm taking 2 puffer jackets with me this time because in Australia, it's a bunch of weathers in one day. It'll be very sunny in the morning, it'll be very windy in the evening, very cold at night. So whenever you're leaving, you'll have to take a jumper with you. So take a good puffer jacket, good warm puffer jacket with you. I think chargers, screen guards, like for your phone and for your laptop. So I've taken a couple of screen guards as well with me. Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? I think that covers it all. That those are the essentials from experience that I know of. If I have anything else, I'll put it in after this. All right, that is it from my end in Australia now. But one thing I'll say: pack sentimental things that remind you of home, that keep you grounded, and that when if and when you fall homesick, you can look at them and just be happy. So yeah, just carry things that have sentiment to you. Don't overpack. Pack for the next season. One puffer jacket, two puffer jackets will do. That's about it. You don't need anything fancy. If you've invested in a lot of fancy clothes, then I would say think about it. But other than that, a lot of things are available here at a very economical price. Chill, take a chill pill. Everything is available here. But yeah,